Hello everyone, today we'll have a look at another ultrasonic cleaner. This one is the biggest that I got. Got this for 20 bucks from the Salvos. It has 4 buttons here and 7 segment display, or 8 segments I should say. 2 LEDs here by the look of it. We have on off switch, 2 separate switches, one for on, one for off, a set, and TC. I'm not sure what TC is. 20 bucks. It has a tray, and that's the inside. I did test it without water just to see if it works or not, and I left this in and it melted it. As you can see, it's got melted here. So this piece gets very hot, so there's a heating element underneath. So it's not only vibrate, it heats up with the water, I think. This is the model number and all the stuff. 180 watts, model YH5412, and the weight 2.3 kilograms. No brand, just ultrasonic cleaner. So let's test it properly with water and try to clean something. Then we will take it apart and see what's inside. We'll add some water. It has this computer style connector. Three cups and still not full. That's enough. 4 cups. Yeah, that's deep enough. We'll try to clean this. This is an old microphone. As you can see, it's all rusty and dirty. So I'll try to clean this. See if we can remove all this dirt. It can get submerged. That's I don't know if I should add some vinegar or chlor or maybe detergent, or just use it as is. I don't know, we'll see. Let's turn it on. Okay, LEDs. Set 180. Wow. a while. I will bring some vinegar. I will add a little of vinegar. Maybe it's not good, it's not recommended because maybe it will eat the internals, but add very little. Maybe that's not. We'll leave it for now. So this is the result. Not bad, not the cleanest, but much better than before. So yeah, this TC is the heater. When you press it, this LED comes on, which is red, and the heating element starts heating with the water. And if you switch it off, it will just vibrate without heating. So let's take it apart and see how it's built. Okay, so the wires are very tight, which is not helping, but this is the inside. You can see that's the main board, the power supply and everything. And we have a fan there. And this is the ultrasonic element, and the heating element is under this, which is probably just a coil. A thermostat on this transformer, so they can control it. If it heats up, it will shut down probably. Control panels there. Yeah, not much to it. Let's put it back. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.